While the New York Lottery ad campaigns might seem an unlikely choice for a BYU Idaho art project, the attention-grabbing ideas are ideal for analysis. This is the original ad. There are actually 4 ads in this campaign. One shows a person on a ski lift asking, "If you run fully clothed across a nude beach, is it still considered streaking?" Another shows a person sitting on a dock asking, "If tomatoes are a fruit, wouldn't ketchup technically be a smoothie?" And again, another ad shows a person sitting by a fireplace asking, "Why do people say tuna fish when they don't say chicken bird?" Let's take let's look a little more closely at the original ad. The colors are very simple. The darkest shade in the sky matches some of the color in the landscape. The road directly contrasts the rest of the colors, drawing one's eye to the focal point. The perspective of the road leads one off into the distance, which is where one will be if they win the lottery, somewhere off in the distance on a lonely stretch of road with no one else around. The 2 lines of text are aligned to the left, next to the logo. The logo is very small. It's hard to see exactly what it is, which requires the viewer to put a little more effort into discovering who is sending these messages. The text at the top of the page is obviously the thoughts of the person in the car, as shown by the dotted lines leading from the text to the person. The ad is very simple, but has great impact. Now let's take a look at the new ad. Here we have a similar scene. We can't see the person's face, which is typical of the ads in the campaign. The text position, font, and senseless message mirrors that of the original ad campaign. The girl is obviously pondering her brainless future now that she doesn't have to worry about money. The dots leading from the text to the girl also mirror the original ad campaign. Here again, the logo and the slogan identically match the other ads in the campaign. The logo and text are flush left in a position that is easy to find, yet doesn't shout, "Look at me." I've muted the colors to more closely match the color scheme in the original ad. What would you be thinking about if you didn't have to think about money? And that's my addition to the New York Lottery ad campaign. Thanks for watching.